Hey guys, Francis here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about content locking for beginners. Okay, I know I've never talked about content locking on this channel, but in this video I just want to talk a little bit about content locking. Okay? And if this is your first time on stopping by on my videos, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos, I do make money online methods, and I document my journey on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this, I invite you to smash the red subscribe button, take the bell notification icon. That way you get notified whenever I come up with any new videos. And if there's any questions you have for me or any concerns, let me know that in the comments. And if you like this video and you stay to the end, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate it a lot. So that being said, let's dive right into the video. Now, what content locking is, for those of you who don't know, content locking is just basically you have a particular premium offer and you put a locker on it. Before people can access the premium offer, they have to go through your locker. Okay, that is what content locking is. And when they go through your locker, you are making money from that. Okay, depending on the the demographic those people are. Right, if they are in top tier countries, you'll be making more. If they are in third world countries, you'll be making less. Okay, that is how it works basically. For me, content locking is actually great. I like it a lot because you can lock basically anything. Video files, you can lock PDFs, you can lock courses, and basically anything. You can lock videos, even YouTube videos. You can just go and get a video on YouTube and lock it, okay, on a locker, okay, and get before people can access that video that they can actually access on YouTube also. Before they access that video, they have to go through your locker to watch that. Okay, they can be redirected, and you can be making money from that. And one great thing about content locking that I like a lot is that it is great for trends. Okay, you can use, once you know how to capitalize on trend, what is trending currently, because trends tend to get lots of traction and attention. Okay, so if you know what's trending, which is easy to do, just go to Google Trends. Okay, you see what is trending on Google, what people are clicking, what people are searching for. You can capitalize on that. Okay, you can lock content, all right, relating to what is trending. All right, that is what makes content locking super cool, because you can be everywhere every time. Because once you go to Google Trends, you always see something is trending. All right, so you can go there and lock something up and share with people online, maybe in the forum, Facebook groups, okay, and share with people about maybe the content you lock, okay, and tell them to access it. Once you give them the link, when they click on it, they have to go through your locker first, which when they complete that offer, maybe they have to download some applications or take a survey to access that. Once they do that, you get money. Okay, that is how content locking works, and it is great for beginners because you just don't have to spend any money to do this. Also, you just have to set it up. And one platform I like is CPA Grip. Beginners don't have to do anything much. You just have to sign up with CPA Grip. I'll leave a link to CPA Grip in the description. Go to CPA Grip, sign up, and start locking content, okay, for free. You don't have to spend any money in terms of setting it up or doing it at all. Okay, it is not that hard to do. Okay, it is not that hard as long as you know what you're doing. All right, it's not that hard to do. So it is easy for beginners to go out there and start sharing their links with people. Okay, building conversation with people, sharing values online and on different forums online, and getting people to click on their link to come to their content which they've already locked. And whenever they get somebody from a forum to click on their link, the person comes to their locker, okay, before they access the premium content. And once the person goes through the locker, they are making money. So it is actually cool for beginners. Now, my experience in terms of content locking, okay, I locked some few content, and I just got like $2 or $3, something within that range, and I saw that it's actually working. It works actually, as long as you know what you're doing. But you need to send loads of traffic. That is one thing I noticed. You need to send loads of traffic to your content locker, okay, before you start getting one conversions. Let's say sometimes I can send like let's say, with my experience with content locking, I can send like 100 clicks. Okay, I can send like 100 clicks just to get one conversion. Okay, that is my own experience. Other people know, but for me, I send like 100 to get just one. There are different different ways to make money online on this YouTube channel. I've tested a lot of them out, or I've seen people who have done them to make money online, and they all work. Okay, what they mostly need is consistency. You just have to be consistent with them. You don't just want to just do them and say they don't do them, let's say for a day or two, and you don't get any result and you say they don't work. That's not true. They all work. You have to be consistent and put in the work also to make them work or to get results from them. That is how it basically works. And you can't do everything. You just have to pick one and stick with it. This is where people get it wrong. If you want to do content locking, stick with content locking till it works. Okay, a lot of people are making money from it. When you go to CPA Grip, you can see their chat section on how much people are making from content locking. So you see that other people are making money from it. So you too, you can also do it to make money. So if you want to get started with content locking, you can click the link in the description to sign up with CPA Grip, okay, and get started with it and start using it to lock premium content and sharing your links out there. When people go through your content locker, you are making money. Okay, and if there's any problem along the way, you are facing any problem, this is where a lot of people get it wrong. Contact your affiliate manager. It is simple. Okay, I'm running this offer right now, what you're planning on doing, so they can guide you also. Okay, and if, let's say if people can go through your content, okay, let's say they are taking a survey and they're not being redirected to the content you promised, okay, you can contact your affiliate manager and tell him to help you fix that what is happening. Whichever problem you're getting online in terms of affiliate marketing, there's always an affiliate manager right there. Contact the person or contact the support team and tell them to help you solve that problem. So that's how content locking basically works. Okay, and you can get started for free. Now, if you find any value in this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and let me know your thoughts in the comment, and also share this video with a friend, okay, to give value to them. Until next time, my name is Francis. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye bye.